Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on an adventure. We're going to grow our very own apple seedlings from organic apples. Apple trees are fantastic additions to any garden, but did you know you can grow your own from scratch? It's a fun and rewarding process, and who knows, maybe someday you'll be enjoying apples from a tree you nurtured yourself. So, grab your organic apple of choice, and let's get started. What you'll need: organic apple, knife, paper towel, potting mix, small pots with drainage holes, spray bottle. Step 1. Extracting the seeds. First things first, we need to extract the seeds from our apple. Grab your apple and, using a knife, carefully cut it in half. Inside, you'll see the core with the apple seeds. These little black pips are what we're after. Gently scrape them out of the core, taking care not to damage them. Step 2. Preparing the seeds for stratification. Now, apple seeds need a cold period to simulate winter and break their dormancy. This process is called stratification. We can mimic this by placing the seeds on a damp paper towel. Don't soak them completely, but you want the paper towel to be moist.
Step 3. Planting time. Fill a pot with well-draining potting mix. Plant the seeds 1 to 2 inch deep, water gently, and place the pot in a sunny window. Now, patience is key. Growing an apple tree from seed takes time and dedication. It can take 7 to 10 years before your tree produces fruit, if at all.